De nuevo. Hi guys, thank you for coming today. My name is Carla Torres. I'm going to talk about one of my favorite hobbies, that is cooking. Everyone at my apartment likes how I cook because I cook the Puerto Rican way. So, but not for everyone cooking. Not everyone can cook. I remember when I was a kid with my brother, my dad tried to cook for us fried chicken, and he thought it was ready because it was fried in the outside, but when we started eating it, it was raw on the inside, and he still make us eat it. So yeah, but it wasn't that bad. We didn't get sick. So cooking is the process of preparing food by use of heat. Cooking techniques vary around the world because of different cultural traditions. Anthropologists believe that cooking started approximately 250,000 years ago with the development of agriculture's inventions and technologies such as pottery. So the recipe I'm going to show you guys today is lasagna. Lasagna is a traditional Italian dish. The term lasagna comes from the Greek word lasagna, which means dish or bowl. The ancient Greeks used baking dishes and then transferred to the Romans. The Romans adapt this type of dish. In the Roman culture, this dish is served in with layers of pasta with fillings in between, whatever filling they used back then. This dish traveled around the whole Europe, and then it got to England, where they put it in a recipe book, cookie book, and then it got famous all around the world. So I make lasagna in a different way. I substitute the ricotta cheese with cream cheese because personally I don't like ricotta cheese, and this is the way my mom taught me to do it. So I'm going to tell you the steps of making lasagna. First, I take a pot and I boil water with salt on it and oil, and I let it boil. When it reaches a boiling point, I put the pasta inside of it, and I let it there for like 10 minutes until it reaches like it's really cooked. Then in another pan, I put the ground beef on, and I start seasoning with like adobo, sazon, sofrito, and garlic, and I let it there sit in medium heat and until it's really cooked. Then after the pasta and the ground beef is well done, I start building the lasagna in the pan. So the way I build it, I put the traditional sauce on the bottom of the pan, then I put a layer of pasta, then on top of the layer of pasta I put the ground beef mixed with the cream cheese, and then on top of that I put shredded cheese on top of that. Then I put another layer of pasta, and then goes on. Everyone makes different layers, I only make 2. And then at the top of the last layer of pasta, I put more traditional sauce, and I put more shredded cheese. And then, when I made the whole lasagna, I turned the oven on in like 350-degree temperature. I put the lasagna in there for like 50 minutes, or as long as it takes to melt the cheese. I leave it there, and then when it's ready, I take the lasagna out and put it on the counter until it cools down. When it cools down, it's ready to eat for everyone. And you can eat it by itself, or you can eat it with a side, with like rice or a salad or whatever you want, depends on your tradition or culture. And that's it. I made some lasagna for you guys, for you to try. So if you want to come ahead, I have lasagna for everyone. You want to come here and get it. Thank you so much for everything.